Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
What do you like to read?
I like to read books as well as newspaper.
Okay. Are there newspaper available at your house?
Yes, there are many newspaper available at my home because my father brings a daily newspaper.
Okay. When do you read newspaper?
I read a newspaper after coming to home from school.
Which kinds of newspaper are available in Gujarat?
There are many newspaper available in Gujarat like Sandesh, Gujarat Samachar, Divya Bhaskar Samachar, Guardian and some of English newspaper and Indian Express and Time of India. That is,
Which newspaper do you like to read most than other?
I like to read Gujarat Samachar newspaper.
Thank you very much for giving me answer.